In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change save as settings in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know how to set a default file format so your drawings open smoothly for teammates and clients, and you'll also fine-tune autosave and backup options to protect your work. Start by bringing up the Options dialog. In AutoCAD, type Options directly into the command line and press Enter. This opens a window that controls many core preferences. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Click the Open and Save tab, which is where we'll make all the changes today. First, set your default save as format. Look for the File Save dropdown. This determines which DWG version AutoCAD uses whenever you save a drawing. If you regularly share files with people on older versions of AutoCAD, choose an older DWG format so they can open your files without conversion. If everyone you collaborate with is on a newer release, you can select the latest format for full feature compatibility. The goal is to pick a format that matches the oldest software in your workflow to avoid surprises later. Next, configure automatic save intervals. Still on the Open and Save tab, find the option for automatic saves and set the time in minutes. Autosave quietly creates recovery copies at the interval you choose, which can be a lifesaver if your system loses power or the program closes unexpectedly. A shorter interval captures more frequent changes, but can briefly pause the program on large drawings, while a longer interval reduces interruptions, but leaves a slightly larger window of unsaved work. Pick a balance that matches your file sizes and how fast you iterate. Something in the moderate range typically works well. Finally, enable the creation of backup copies. In the same tab, turn on the setting that creates a backup copy with each save. Each time you save, AutoCAD generates a backup file, letting you roll back to the previous state if something goes wrong. This is especially helpful before major edits or when you're testing design ideas. Just remember that backups take up space over time, so it's smart to clean out old backups periodically as part of your project housekeeping. Once you've set the default save format, adjusted the autosave interval, and enabled backup copies, close the dialog to apply your changes. From now on, your drawings will save in the format you expect, and your work will be better protected. That's it for changing save as settings in AutoCAD. If this helped, consider applying these settings across your standard templates so every project starts with reliable save behavior. Thanks for watching.